Here we go, another Monday morning in court, and the judge wastes no time. Calm but commanding, she takes control fast. Every move, every word, pure courtroom mastery in action.
Good morning, you're Janisha Jackson. And Miss Jackson, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
No, but I did check. You said that is very expensive.
Who'd you talk to?
Burbanks, Payments,
Say it again. I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Burbanks.
Uh-huh.
And I talked to Taylor Walker and Land Walker Jr. and Sales and Son Law Firm.
Okay. Are you working?
I do work at Riceland, but I'm not.
Whoa, that got intense fast. Aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's no small charge. This isn't some minor slip-up. It's serious time, real consequences, and everything's on the line.
Client right now.
Okay.
I'm waiting on my client around my kids' school schedule.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, thank you for doing what I asked you to. I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely. Don't just leave it all blank or put zeros. You're going to swear under oath that it's all true, okay? So if you step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that paperwork. Clifford Norman. Morning, George. Good, how about you? Monday.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. Are you Clifford Norman?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Norman, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25 DCCR 1034. You're charged with, my computer's going slow. You're charged with something. Yes. All right. The second-degree felony offense of aggravated.
Here's a pattern you'll spot quick. The judge keeps saying, reset your case. That's legal talk for delay. Sounds routine, but for defendants on bond, every reset feels like borrowed time.
Assault with a deadly weapon, and that's from July 15th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
No, ma'am. I can't afford one right now. I'm a disabled vet, so I've been doing community service work, volunteer, where I stay at now.
Do you receive disability?
Yes,
how much do you receive a month?
$22.44.
All right. So I will find that you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. If you step in front of the clerk, she might need a minute to let you know that information, and step in front of the clerk right here. She'll tell you what to do. Presley Viltz. Good morning, sir. You're Presley Viltz. And Mr. Viltz, were you able to get someone hired? I can't hear you.
I talked to Livingston Scott. He asked if I'm working with Livingston.
To who?
Livingston Scott.
Livingston Scott?
I got it.
Okay, let me see. Is he local?
Yeah, well,
Langston? Scott, Mr. Adams?
yeah.
Okay. And so when are you going to be able to get him hired? I don't know why you're whispering, but I can't hear you. The end of the month? Okay. So I'm going to reset your case one more time to get Mr. Adams hired. If you get him hired, bring the reset notice that you get today to him. He'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire him, and that's not going to work for some reason, then you need to talk to at least 3 others and bring me those names, okay? All right, if you'll step right behind him here in front of the clerk, she'll give you that reset notice. And it's Mr. Adams. Kyra Rogers. Good morning. You're Kyra Rogers. And Ms. Rogers, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25 DCCR 0976. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of theft of service from June 5th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
When I had talked to the girls, they told me that I was going to get a court appointment.
Right, so when you were in custody, we automatically give you a court-appointed lawyer. But once you bond out, what I do is expect you at least to try to hire a lawyer. So I'm going to reset your case for about 30.
That line, I may raise your bond, pure courtroom gold. It's not a threat. It's a warning. Bond is her power move, balancing fairness with firm control every time.
30 days to give you some time to see if you can get a lawyer hired.
I can get a court appointment.
Listen to what I'm saying. You have to try to hire a lawyer, okay? If you get a lawyer hired, then you need to bring the reset notice to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do. If you are unable to hire a lawyer, I want you to talk to at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so that I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? Okay, step in front of the clerk. Jaden Simon. Good. You're Jaden Simon?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Simon, you are here on initial appearance in cause number 25 DCCR 0918. You're charged with a second-degree felony offensive robbery from June 12th of 2025. And since you have made bond, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
Not at the moment.
How old are you?
17,
Are you in school or are you working?
in school.
Where do you go to school?
Brown.
Okay. And so do you have a family that's going to help you hire a lawyer, or do you want me to consider appointing you a lawyer since you're still in school?
I'm a family.
Okay, so y'all are going to try to hire someone?
Yes, ma'am.
So what I'll do, Mr. Simon, is reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to hire somebody. If you get a lawyer hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do.
Yes, ma'am.
If you're unable to hire someone, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers y'all talked to so I know you're trying, and we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following.
And there it is. The moment of realization. Even the defendants feel it now. The courtroom's gone viral. Millions watching online. Justice isn't just local anymore. It's streaming live.
That court order. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice. Good morning, sir. Are you Brandell Griffin? And Mr. Griffin, this is your initial appearance in cause number 24, DCCR 1666. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of publishing or threatened to publishing intimate visual material from June 24th of 2024. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? So what I'm going to do, Mr. Griffin, is reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. If you get someone hired before the next court date, bring the reset. I'm going to tell you, I got to say all the words. I know you sitting here heard it, and I'll never have somebody come back and say I didn't tell them the same thing. If you get someone hired, bring that reset notice to them. If you're unable to hire someone, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. Make sure you bring those names back of who you've talked to so I know you're trying, and we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then you come back, I may raise your bond for not following that court order, and you would have to go back to jail. You understand? Where do you look? Google Jefferson County or Beaumont criminal attorneys. Okay. And also, if you walk right across the hall here, when you walk out of the courtroom, there's the Jefferson County Bar Association. They also have a referral service, and they can give you a few attorneys' names as well. Good morning, ma'am. You're Shannon Stott?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Stott, in cause number 23-41490, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of theft of service, and that's from July 15th of 2022. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
No, ma'am.
So what I'm going to do, Ms. Stott, is reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would have to go back to jail. Do you understand? If you'll step in front of the clerk, she'll give you your reset notice. Yes, ma'am.
Thanks for sending me.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody always says stout or scone.
Oh, yeah. Well, that was just a fluke because I'm usually wrong on most of them.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
on YouTube?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I follow you. All of this stuff. Am I done?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Mr. Turk, You've got pretrial on a Ricardo Rodriguez. Mr. Coleman? Morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Ricardo Rodriguez?
Mr. Rodriguez is apparently incarcerated in Edwards County.
In jail for you there?
Yes.
One judge.
Morning.
I learned of that recently. Oh, that's why he's not returning my phone calls.
There's that.
There's that.
No response, Your Honor.
So he's where?
Edwards County, and I think the city is Rock Springs, but it's 6.5 hours west of here.
Okay.
It's close, like Junction, that area, close
Okay.
to Big Bend area.
Mr. Coleman?
If the state's ready for trial, Judge, we had a conversation late last week that I was hopeful that maybe could resolve.
Yeah, and I just always haven't been able to talk to him.
Sure. So, do you have any information now that you know where he is, the status of that, or any?
He's on a revocation. I think he may be set next week. I've called a couple of times to the jail. They don't have a docket only, and so I'm hoping that it's quicker than not. But
Okay.
I can't tell the court over there what
This
to do.
one's
I can't tell
old.
them what to do.
Time to get this one taken care of. But obviously, we can't do that if he's not here. If you would maybe contact the DA and maybe his defense attorney this afternoon, if y'all have a minute to do that, and just kind of let me know.